Second years versus first year's football match has begun. First year's keeping the good defense and it's out for a kick in for the second years. Second year's played up. Second year's moving downfield. Second year's with the chance and oh, it's just wide of the goal. And there's a chance for the first years and oh my God, what a save by the keeper. Corner kick in for the second years. They played it short and it's a chance for the second year. Oh, and it's blocked well by the second year. For the first years, they played short. They're looking for a chance. Oh, second years take it back. Second years with a chance. Oh, and it's beautifully defended by the goalkeeper for the second years. And it's defended well by the first year, but still kept by the second years. Second year is played long. First years with a chance. They're moving it down the field. Second years tackle it well. Second years with a chance. And it's still kept with the second years. Second years with a chance to score. And it's just hit off the post. And it's out. The second years. Played the long ball. And here's a chance. And oh my God, it was almost a beautiful goal. And it appears to be a foul. Is it long? Second years get it back. Second years try a long shot. And it's a goal for the second years. A beautiful tap in by the second years. It's a free kick for the first years. They try a long shot and it's almost a goal. First years and second years fighting for it and the second years take it out. Second years with a chance and it's saved by the keeper. Still saved. Oh, it's still in and that's a foul. With the first years, they've played a long shot and it's saved well by the keeper. And it's smashed away. Corner for the second years. First years get the ball back. First years running. First years still with the ball. First years still with it. First years still with it and it's blocked well by the second years. First years restart. Second years tackle it. Second years moving it up. Second years with a chance and it's First years played short. They're looking for options to play it up. And it's headed away by the second years. Ball still with the second years. Here's a chance for the second years. And it's blocked well by the goalie. And it's, oh, what a goal line clearance by the keeper. Oh, he was so close for another spectacular. Balls with the second years. Again got back by the first years. First years have it in the field. First years with a chance. Oh, no. He just missed it. It was a begging chance. Played. First years with, oh, and he slips and scuffs the shot. Oh, first years with the skills. First years with the wonderful save by the second year keeper. And that's the match, folks. First years 0, second years 1. Beautiful scenes at the final years. Final years still with a chance, but it's defended well by the third years. It's cleared out. Final years get it back. Final years still with the ball. Third years with a chance. Third years still have the ball. They're in shooting territory. Tackled well by the final years. Final years gain the ball back. They're counter-attacking. It's tackled by the third years. And third years move it up the field. Third years still moving. And a beautiful tackle by the final years. They played it in. They're looking for options. Good skill. Oh my word, what skills. Oh, good 1-2. Here's a chance. And it's a good shot. Beautiful save by the keeper.